Wow, babe, it's really dark in here, huh?
Yeah, that's because we have our Explorer Outfitters window covers on. Stay tuned and we'll tell you all about them.
Hey everybody, Billy here from Finding Fresh Air. We're out camping in the Deschutes National Forest and we've gotten a chance to test out our Explorer Outfitters window covers. First and foremost, we want to let you guys know this video is sponsored by Explorer Outfitters. Just like we've done in the past, we reached out to them to see if they'd like to work together to make a video to show you guys just how rad these window covers really are. And just like every other product we've showed you guys on our channel, we wouldn't recommend a product unless we use it ourselves and really thought it was actually great. And we really do with these. We've gotten a chance to test them out in cold weather, and now that it's summer, in some nice hot days. And we're really impressed with how they're working. So stick around, we're gonna show you guys all about them.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Allison. So we decided to go with the light gray ripstop color. We just really like the pattern on it. And then we decided to go with all black on the other side. This way it'll almost look like black tinted windows from the outside and we could be nice and stealthy. It does come in other colors as well, several other colors, and if you work with Paul, then he can even do a custom order for you.
So Allison told you guys about the color options, but I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about what they're made out of and what's inside them and how they work. By the way, this is the fan cover that we're using, just because it's easy to hold and nice and small, easy to show you guys, but we'll show you close-ups of all the other covers. They're made out of a nylon pack cloth material, which is really durable and super easy to clean, and that's why we really like these, because we got a feeling they're gonna get pretty dirty at times and we'd like to just wipe them clean. The color was a good option for us as well, because it doesn't really show a lot of dirt on it because of the pattern, so we really enjoy that. On the inside, they're filled with low E insulation, and you can look them up just by searching low E online. And that's to give us a little bit of an insulation from the outside. And we've tested these out down in pretty cold temperatures into the 30s up in the mountains, kind of like where we are now. And we've also gotten a chance now that it's summertime to test them out on really hot days. We were just camping this last weekend over at Prineville Reservoir and it got up into the 90s. And they really work even with the black color on the outside. In addition to that, they're held up to most of the parts in the van with a layer of magnets sewn into the outer rim. I say most parts of the van because the front windshield isn't held up by magnets because there's nothing magnetic around the outer rim of the windshield. So we'll show you guys how that one sets up.
Before we show you guys the ones that aren't magnetic, let's show you how easy it is to put the ones that are magnetic up. Line it up. You can hear it sticking to the van. And then watch how cool this is. This is one of our favorite features and a really great way to store the window covers. You fold it up and snap. There you go.
In addition to being able to just store them in place like this, which I really love, you can also use them just rolled up slightly if you have T-vent windows, like our CR Lawrence T-vent windows here. What we do is just take them from the base and roll them up. Push the magnets in on the side, and now you got most of your window covered, but you can get some nice airflow with the T-vent windows too if you like. So that works exactly the same on the slider door window cover. They're almost exactly the same, but they are slightly different. So they are custom made. So one's for one and one specifically for the other. And the rear windows work exactly the same. Super simple magnetic, slap them right on. And they do the same thing where they roll up. We love keeping them stored in place like this, especially while we're driving down the road, we can see a little. We also enjoy just when we're in bed back here, just popping them down a little bit and checking out the scenery, see what's going on in the morning when we wake up. So for that, we usually just pop them down a little bit, see what's going on outside.
So this is one of the windows that isn't magnetic. It's the bed panel window from RB Components. So what Explorer Outfitters does is they send these very thin adhesive lined steel strips so that the window cover can adhere to it. So as easy as that. And then what we like to do in the morning too is peek outside this one and see what's going on.
So the fan cover is one of the other ones that actually isn't magnetic when you first get it, because it's just the plastic fan cover attached to our wood ceiling, which is the cedar tongue and groove we installed. And it's exactly the same as the panel bed window. XPLR Outfitters send you steel adhesive line strips again, but this time they were a little thicker to kind of match the outline of the fan. And once you get those installed behind there, we waited to actually install the fan cover until we got those, stuck them on, and then installed the fan cover. And it works super easy. For the two front windows, the driver and passenger side, they're magnetic on 3 sides, where there's metal around the rim of the window, and at the bottom they just rest on the window ledge. So they go up super easy. If you get it over the lock, you can block out pretty much all the light. If you have the 4x4 like we do, Paul will cut out a custom mold here to allow for the grab handle for when you enter the van, because we're a little raised up a little higher. So like we mentioned earlier, the front windshield is another one that doesn't have anything magnetic to stick to. So how that works is it pretty much shoves into the corners around the bottom and the sides, and then it's got another loop on top with a magnet around it to help go around the rear view mirror. And then to hold the top in place, you pretty much just slide the visors down and push them up against the windshield, and that kind of keeps it all in place. It's pretty simple once you get used to it. Just kind of shove it down. I start by shoving it down into the bottom of the front of the windshield, and then I hook it around the rear view mirror, attach the magnet, and then I try to get one side going. Get it shoved into the creases as best I can, and then once I feel like I have that in somewhat of a good place, I just take the visor and shove that down. Then I work on the other side. So just work this one into place, and I put this other visor down and hold that into place. Now you can really get rid of a lot of these light leaks if you choose to, but Alice and I don't worry about it too much unless it's extremely cold or really hot. But we kind of like a little bit of light coming in here in the morning. We tend to even leave one of the window covers off, and usually the fan cover, unless it's really cold outside and we're trying to warm the van up. We like to wake up with the sun, and you really can't do that. If you do want to sleep during the day, let me tell you, these window covers keep things super dark, as you saw at the intro of our video. But we tend to not worry about it too much. But if you work this out really well, you can get 0 light leak through here.
So that's pretty much it for the window covers. Thanks so much for watching. We absolutely love them.
Yeah, definitely. We love these window covers. They've already kept us super comfy inside the van already. From really hot days, it's kept us super cool. We usually leave them all on except one of them cracked by a T-vent, crack the window open, put the exhaust fan on, leaves it really cool. And it's also kept us pretty toasty at night. We actually slept one night in the same exact spot we're at now, up in the mountains, with the panel bed window cover off, just thinking it would let a little light in. And that was a mistake. We woke up in the middle of the night and had to put the cover back on because we were a little chilly, especially me with my bald head right next to it. So anyway, we're super happy with these. We're not just saying that. We reached out because we've heard really good things about these, and they're all true. Everything you've heard about these window covers saying that they're great is super true. If you have any questions, reach out to Paul. He's super helpful. We'll leave a link in the description like we always do. Also, if you have any questions for us, feel free to leave them in the comments section. If you liked our videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe if you like this content. We're always putting out some van tutorial, van conversion content, as well as just some adventure content as well. So if you like that, make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Right now, I think we're gonna get set up and make some dinner and hang out at camp and listen to the creek flow and maybe light a fire. Bye guys, see you on the next one.
Bye.